changes in your mind.
Hello wonderful people, welcome again to Women Hairstyles. We have the short natural haircut that will always preserve your fresh contemporary seahood. One thing about today's hairstyle is that it's a style that will really make you look so stunning and turn eyes in every occasion. It's a style that will demonstrate how layering techniques can really create those amazing texture and body. One thing about the style today is that it's a haircut that allows for endless styling possibilities. So why not try this haircut today? Because it's so easy to achieve and it's a style that is exhibits a stunning movement through carefully crafted layers that work in harmony, and you can see how the beautiful side really make the hair to look modern and edgy. So it's a gorgeous curly haircut for beautiful women that really want to look classy. So if you're looking for a sophisticated style for every face shape, this is the right style for you to try. So it looks so incredible on both fair and dark skin tone. So, and you can see how you can try this haircut. Maybe try booking an appointment with your barber, because you can give them the picture or show them the video for them to give you this particular style or any style of your choice. So if it's the first time here in Women Hairstyles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. Welcome to Women Hairstyles, and see you in my next upload.
You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. Out God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is possible without God? You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It does. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God.